The certificate enrollment probably should go ahead and push those configuration profiles. It doesn't necessarily do that automatically. The process of enrolling just puts the certificate onto those machines. For the actual configuration profiles, you still need to put the profiles themselves through ADM onto those machines. As I understand it, that process is improving. So more of that kind of stuff will be happening up front and either automatically or with a click to agree sort of thing. That next phase of the MDM server is in testing right now. Sort of things like that, where it's automatically going to update the privacy controls, that kind of thing. I will have to look and see if that's something that is on the agenda for the next release of ADM, but it sounds like something that we've already talked about internally. Current state of affairs, like I said, the certificate that gets put on the Macs is the enrollment certificate, so that it knows how to receive all the configurations and things from ADM, but it's not getting any configuration profiles automatically until you actually push them out. So that's definitely something that I could put into the cookbook for a future update. One of the things that I'm sort of building a library of are those kinds of profiles for people to put into their profile manager, into their own library. So I will add that as a note as well.